We're going to create jewelry with fabric, leather, and a metal washer. Hello, good people. This is Sherry Shine, owner and designer for Sharika Originals Handcrafted Gifts, where we create jewelry for those who are deliberately different. We also create YouTube tutorials to bring out your creative genius. Today, I'm just going to attach this piece of leather to this fabric that I just bought. I'm going to paint the back of the leather and make a pair of earrings. So enjoy. This is a leather remnant. I bought a big bag of leather remnants from Hobby Lobby, so this is just one of the pieces that was in the bag. So I'm going to liberally apply this Mod Podge so that I can attach my fabric to this leather. And I'm working on the wrong side of the leather here. Now I'll paint the back of the leather a coordinating color. I'm using one of my shape templates to make an oval shape for the earrings that I'm going to make. I have a set of 10 acrylic shapes that I use when I want to make different shapes, and I want them to be pretty accurate. I'll leave a link in the description to the set of acrylic templates. I'm cutting my oval shape in half. I cut two 5-inch pieces of my 20 gauge wire, and I fold them in half and make a V shape. I take my flat nose pliers and I bend my wire. I go about an inch down on my wire and I bend it and make a right angle. I'm going to attach my wire to my leather piece. I use my round nose pliers to bend the wire into a hook, and I do that on each side. I slide my material on the hook, and then I take my pliers and make a loop and wire wrap it around. I do that on both sides and add my ear hook, and I'm finished with the earrings. After I finished these earrings, I remembered that I had bought some washers from the hardware store, and I decided that I would make a matching choker. So that's what I'm working on here. I'm just going to cut a circle and put my washer on it. Going to wire wrap it and put a pre-made necklace on it and call it done. I'm using 12 gauge wire here. I'm cutting about a 6-inch piece. I'm going to use it to attach my metal piece, and I'm going to make a bail. I'm going to make a loop with my wire, And then once I have my loop the size that I wanted, this first thing was too big. So I decided I wanted to make it a little smaller. So I'm using this pen to make my loop. Once I have my loop, then I'm going to just wrap the remaining wire around the loop. And then it will hold the metal piece in place and will serve as the bail. So I'm going to add this to a little pre-made wire choker and call it done. Well, good people, you know the drill. Please like, share, give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't. This is Sherry Shine saying be blessed.